both babies. It was a lot similar. Cleaner, him. Yeah, kick him out. Huge old white dog. They're the same age, though. He got him a toy to chase. Here you go. You got it there. Silly girl. Hey, silly girl. What you doing, silly girl? What you doing, silly girl? Yeah? You're being cute too? Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. Obi, stop playing with you.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, does that feel good?
Mm-hmm.
Hi, Mishka. I see that little tail wagging. Hi, Mishka. Oh, you're so sweet. You're such a sweet boy. Girl. Mishka. Girl. Obi's the boy. Mishka. Obi. Hey, Obi. Where you going? Whoop.
What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Huh? Oh, that feels good, doesn't it? Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, get right there. Uh-huh. Go see Obi. Where's your friend Obi? Huh? Where is he? Where'd he go? Obi! Obi! Obi!
Obi's right here.
Obi, what are you doing? Obi! Come here, Obi.
Hi, Obi.
Come here, Obi.
Hi, sweetie. Hi, Obi.